Hey, Tiki. Tiki? Tiki? Tiki, those are some loud noises you're making. Tiki? Tiki? Tiki, you're loud. You're pretty loud, Tiki. What about you, Lemon? Do you not want to talk? Tiki? Tiki, why are you so loud? Oh, Tiki. 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 Tiki, you're so cute. Okay, Lemon, why aren't you making any noise? Tiki likes this. Oh yeah, they're friends. They always want to be together. It's a huge cage. And they choose over there, just together. Tiki, 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 what are you doing? Hey, Lemon. You have red eyes. You look kind of evil, Lemon. Okay, Tiki. Tiki, you're very loud. Do you know that? That's okay. I love you. Okay, that's good. Love you guys. Lemon. Lemon, sing. Sing. Oh, wow. Tiki likes this. Oh, yeah, they want to go closer together. Oh. Tiki doesn't like to be handled by humans. Lemon does. Tiki doesn't like that, though. That's okay. Nice. Nice birdie. Okay, I'm going to turn it off now. Nice birdie.